What if I told you that your Halloween pumpkin could bring the magic of Disney right to your doorstep? From Mickey Mouse to Elsa, Disney characters are perfect for adding a whimsical touch to your Halloween decorations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to carve stunning Disney-themed pumpkins that will enchant any Disney lover. Whether you're a fan of classic characters or the latest Pixar heroes, these ideas will have you carving with creativity and Disney magic. Ready to make this Halloween magical? Let's get started. What are some easy Disney pumpkin carving ideas for beginners? Don't worry if you're new to pumpkin carving. You don't need to be a pro to bring your favorite Disney characters to life. Here are some beginner-friendly ideas to get you started. Mickey Mouse silhouette. Start simple with the iconic Mickey ears. Carve the classic shape of Mickey's head and ears. It's instantly recognizable, super cute, and very easy to do. Olaf from Frozen. Olaf's friendly face is a great choice for beginners. His round head and big eyes make for an easy and charming pumpkin carving. Simba's paw print. For a minimalist yet recognizable design, carve Simba's paw print from The Lion King. It's simple, yet it screams Disney magic. Loving these easy Disney designs? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Disney fans. What are some intermediate Disney pumpkin carving ideas? If you've already got some carving experience under your belt, these intermediate designs will help you take your Disney pumpkins to the next level. Jack Skellington's grin. From The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack's skeletal face is perfect for a Halloween vibe. His huge smile and hollow eyes require a bit more precision, but are still manageable. Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Carve a side profile of Ariel with her flowing hair. It's slightly more detailed, but captures the essence of this beloved Disney princess. Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. Carving Buzz's strong jawline and space helmet gives you a bit more of a challenge, but is guaranteed to impress. Which character are you excited to carve? Drop a comment below and let me know your pick. How can you create glowing or light-up effects with your Disney pumpkin carvings? Want your Disney pumpkins to stand out even more at night? Let's add some glow and magic. Here's how to make your pumpkin carvings light up with Disney flair. LED fairy lights. Inside, place small LED fairy lights inside your pumpkin to give it a soft, magical glow. Perfect for Disney castles or princesses. I glow-in-the-dark paint. After carving your design, add glow-in-the-dark paint to highlight certain areas of your carving, like eyes, stars, or magical details. Multiple light sources. Use colored lights like green for Peter Pan's Neverland or purple for Tangled's lantern scene to give your pumpkin a mystical, multicolored glow. Want to make your pumpkins glow like magic? Check the description for the lighting tools I used in this video. What are some Disney Pixar pumpkin carving ideas? Disney Pixar has brought us so many iconic characters, and they make for fantastic pumpkin carvings. Here are some Pixar-inspired designs that will add fun and adventure to your Halloween display. Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc. Carve Mike's one large eye and his cheeky grin. You can even paint the pumpkin green to make it even more recognizable. Nemo from Finding Nemo. Carve Nemo's adorable face and fins into a small pumpkin, perfect for ocean-loving families. His distinct stripes make him instantly recognizable. Lightning McQueen from Cars. Carve the front of Lightning McQueen's car face with his headlights, wide smile, and the number 95. Kids will love seeing this speedy character light up your porch. Love Pixar characters? Subscribe to the channel for more creative Disney pumpkin ideas. How can you involve kids in creating Disney-themed pumpkins? Pumpkin carving is a fantastic family activity, especially with Disney as the theme. Here are some ways to get the kids involved in creating their own magical pumpkins. Stickers and paint instead of carving. For younger kids, avoid the sharp tools and let them decorate pumpkins with Disney character stickers or paint. They can create Mickey, Minnie, or even Olaf without any carving. Pre-drawn templates. Give the kids easy-to-follow stencils of their favorite characters like Moana or Frozen's Anna. They can trace the designs, and you can do the carving for them. Pumpkin Carving Contest. Host a family-friendly carving contest where each child gets to choose their favorite Disney character to carve or decorate. Offer small prizes for the funniest, most creative, or best character likeness. Want to turn pumpkin carving into a family event? Check out the products in the description to get started. How can you incorporate Disney castles or iconic locations into your pumpkin carvings? Bring the grandeur of Disney's iconic locations to your Halloween decor. From Cinderella's castle to Aladdin's Agrabah, these designs will make your pumpkins stand out. Cinderella's castle. Carve the towering spires and arches of the famous Cinderella castle. Use twinkling lights inside the pumpkin to make it shine just like the castle at Disney World. Sleeping Beauty's castle. This iconic Disneyland symbol, with its detailed turrets, is perfect for creating a magical centerpiece for your Halloween display. Agrabah's palace from Aladdin. Recreate the majestic palace from Aladdin by focusing on its rounded domes and royal architecture. It's an intricate design, but well worth the effort. Want to see more detailed carving tutorials? Check the playlist in the description for step-by-step guides. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced carver, these Disney pumpkin carving ideas are sure to bring magic to your Halloween celebrations. From Mickey Mouse to Pixar favorites, there's no limit to how you can transform a simple pumpkin into a piece of Disney art. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best pumpkins are the ones filled with a little Disney magic.